the emergency room continues to be full of patients who are what we call boarding, and inevitably this makes it more difficult to triage the additional patients.
We are admitting patients faster than we discharge them. In this battle, we are so outnumbered.
The Sonoma County Sheriff's Office tells me that they are absolutely preparing for the worst right now. They hope that they do not have to use this mobile morgue, but they say it's here in case things get much more dire.
With more than 2 million COVID cases statewide, hospitals across California are being pushed to their breaking point.
We have already seen overflow of our intensive care unit into the post-anesthesia care unit.
You're getting a bird's eye view of the new COVID-19 vaccination center opening next week here at Cal State Los Angeles.
Some good news for Fresno County residents. Appointments for first doses will be opening up again next week.
So we know everybody's really anxious to get vaccinated, and we're anxious to get everybody really vaccinated.
San Luis Obispo County is opening up vaccines to thousands more people, everyone 16 and up.
This last week was our largest shipment of 8,510 doses, and over 20 providers are currently vaccinating in our community.
Getting a vaccine in Bakersfield is no longer just the talk of the town. Now it's the talk of the Twitter sphere.
Eligibility for COVID-19 vaccines is about to expand to all Californians aged 50 and older.
When we were here in December, they had 210 employees out sick due to COVID. You know how many they had as of yesterday? Only 10. More than 93% of the employees here at UC Davis Health all stepped up and said, we will be vaccinated.
It's a grand reopening here in California. Masks off today. Across the state, we've got one of the lowest COVID infection rates across the country, coupled with one of the highest rates of vaccination.
Cases in LA County are climbing. The health department is reporting a 165% rise from last week.
Dr. Abby Olade is in family medicine with the Sharp-Reese-Steele Medical Group.
It is concerning also because it causes more hospitalization from what we're seeing. And it's now the dominant variant in California.
Health experts are warning it's gaining ground on people who are not vaccinated.
The state's health department says California is, quote, currently experiencing the fastest increase in COVID-19 cases during the entire pandemic.
That's right. Just when you thought it was safe to go indoors without a mask, Los Angeles County has made masking indoors once again a mandate.
Delta is finding the unvaccinated and spreading very efficiently.
Placer County is arguably the hardest hit. Last winter, the hospitalization high, 208 people. This week, a new high of 220.
Kern County saw a larger jump in COVID-19 cases today, reporting 693 new infections and 8 new deaths overnight.
New data from the CDC shows our state is the only one in which COVID-19 transmission is labeled substantial. The other 49 states are still suffering from widespread transmission rates.
We have more breaking news. The first case of the OMICRON variant has been identified in the U.S. and it's in California.
An FDA advisory panel has voted to recommend Pfizer's COVID vaccine for kids ages 5 to 11. This move sets up a series of steps that could make the shot available for 28 million kids ahead of the holidays.
I want to thank all of you because you really are the healthcare heroes in this particular moment. Everything you're doing, every patient that you are caring for is making a difference in the state of California. There are none like you.